Hello everyone. So in this session I'm going to discuss about how to launch a job in Ansible Tower and how to remove a job and logs from the Ansible Tower using REST API calls. Right. So you can do it. You can launch a job manually and can remove the job manually. But when you want to remove a bulk job and when the user want to submit a job using some API call, and what are the options we have. So let's see in this session how can we achieve this, right? Okay, so we have the API endpoint to launch the job and the same way to remove the jobs, right? So all you need is a tokens to get this done. So that token has to have a permission to launch jobs or remove the jobs, right? Not all the tokens will have the privilege to get this done. So the token based on when you create a user, so what are the privilege they have, based on the privilege the token also will have the privilege, right? Okay, so I'm going to show the very simple method, right? So the first method to launch a job. To launch a job, you need a template of the job template ID of the job, right? You cannot give the job template name while you launch the job, whereas you need a template ID. So you can get the template ID from the Ansible Tower. Go to the Ansible Tower and search the template and you will find the template ID, right? I'm showing one job, right? So this is my template. If you see that this is the template ID, the 45 is the template ID. So when you launch the job, you need to use the 45 to trigger the particular job. I'm just using the very basic method to launch the job, right? The job may need multiple options like a host, inventory, or credential, or extra parameter something. Then that is the next step. The one I am just showing is the basic method how to launch the job using the token, right? Okay, let's see how to launch a job in practical. I'm using the 45 to launch the job. Okay, so here is the command. So I'm going to launch a job. So this is my tower URL, and the launch is to launch the job endpoint, API endpoint. So I need to use the curl command, curl-x. You need to call the post and give your URL with the token. Okay, it's throw me because I'm using the invalid certificate, right? Yes, the job is launched now. I got 241 is the job ID. I'm going to relaunch my job. I'm going to relaunch my job again. This time I got job ID is 242. Let's see on the tower what is going on. Right. Forget about the job status at this time. So it's failed with some issue, but the job got triggered in the Ansible Tower. So this is how you need to launch the job in Ansible Tower. If you want to manually launch, just go here and click, so it will execute. So this is the simplest way, and another one from the API calls. Okay, I hope you got understand. To launch a job, you need again the template ID, and you need to call the launch endpoint with the tokens, so it will trigger the job. Okay, let's see one more things. The same thing we can achieve from the Postman, right? So I'm using the Postman. I given the authorization token here, and here is my URL and endpoint. Just sending the request. I got back the job ID job ID is 244. If I give next time, I'll got 245. Okay, the both job got executed here. Okay, now we seen how to land the job. Next, move on the next topic, how to remove the jobs, right? So here I triggered these many jobs, right? There are multiple options to remove the job. So the direct one is from the tower, you can go here and just remove the job, so it will remove it. We got 245 is removed, and now we got 244 is the top one. I am just using the API call to remove the job now. The same one what we used earlier, just endpoint will be different. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to change any tokens. I'm just going to change the URL here, jobs, and 244. That's all I need to give. So the post, okay, we need to give delete method. So give delete. Your job got deleted now. Let's go and see the 244 job now. I still see that. Oh, okay, 244 is gone now. I'm going to give another one, 243. Let's see the 243 now. Uh, 243 gone now. So this is a very direct method. So I have created a program that will fetch the there you can mention, see, there are some case you want to delete the job which started from this date to this date with the failed status or success status, right? So we have an endpoint for that also. Let me show the program what we have. Job remove Python, right? So what I have defined is, I want to remove the job which is not success, meaning it could be failed or error state, anything. So I want to filter those job and started on 19th, I mean till this date, and less than greater than September 1, meaning less than September 29 and greater than September 1st jobs. So just understand, I'm not going to detail with the Python program here. I'm just saying what are the filters we have to get the job details. We have a bunch of filters available, but here I am using few control, right? Checks the job which is not success one, and jobs which is started less than this date and greater than this date. So it will fetch all the details here, and I am going to delete those jobs only in my program. Okay, and it comes here, and I am running another loop to remove. Here is my remove calls, removing job from the tower. Okay, I'm going to run this job now. Let's see how many jobs available in the tower now. To 121 and the very first one 244, right? 242. I'm going to run this. Okay, so these jobs now got deleted. Awesome. Let's refresh the tower. Yes, all the jobs gone now. Awesome, right? So this is how we can do the job blanch, bulk job blanch, and bulk removing from job from the tower. there are multiple filters available. Go to Ansible documentation and search for what are the filters available for launching jobs and deleting jobs, right? This will be helping us to control the tower as much possible. Hope you are clear on the topic what we discussed so far, right? So how to launch the job, how to remove the job, how to remove the different filters. Okay, thanks guys, that's all I have for this session. We'll meet again with different topics with a different date. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye, see you.